now turn to page 62, and we are going to do some word problems having to do with geometry terms. So on page 62, the first problem says, one of two complementary angles measures 30 degrees more than 3 times the other. Find each angle. Well, what we need to first figure out is what is our unknown. Our unknown are the two angles. So, we know angle 1 plus angle 2 equals 90, right? Because they say they're complementary. We don't know what angle 1 is, we don't know what angle 2 is, but we know if we add them together, they equal 90. So I'm going to let angle 1 equal x. Now, let's read the problem and find the relationship between angle 1 and angle 2. One of two complementary angles is 30 degrees more than 3 times the other. Well, 3 times the other is 3x. 30 degree more is plus 30. Now I have to add this column together. This is 1x plus 3x. So 4x plus 30 equals 90. That's my equation. I subtract 30, I get 4x equals 60. Divide by 4, x equals 15. Now, I'm not done. I know x equals 15, but how do I find my other angle? Well, I do 3 times 15 is 45 plus 30 is 75. And then I check and say 5 plus 5 is 0, carry the 1, 90, and it works. So I know angle 1 is 15 degrees, angle 2 is 75 degrees. Okay? Now, let's look at number 3. Now, number 3 says, an angle measures 15 degrees more than its complement. Well, as soon as you see complement, say angle 1 plus angle 2 equals 90 degrees. I don't know angle 1, I don't know angle 2, but I know my total is 90. Now, I read the problem again to find the relationship between angle 1 and angle 2. An angle measures 15 degrees more than its complement. Well, I don't know this, but I know this is 15 degrees more. Add them together, and when you add them together, they equal 90. Subtract 15. Divide by 2. If this is 37.5, then this is 52.5 because I add 37.5 plus 15. Add these together and it equals 90. Okay. Now let's look at number 5. Number 5 says the measure of an angle is 74 degrees greater than its supplement. So as soon as I see supplement, I say angle 1 plus angle 2 equals 180. I don't know angle 1, don't know angle 2, but I know their total is 180. Now I look back to the problem to figure out the relationship between angle 1 and angle 2. If my first angle is unknown and it's x, the next angle is 74 degrees greater. So I add them together. Now I subtract 74. Divide by 2. X equals 53. Still not done. So now I add 53 plus 74. So 127. I add them together, make sure it adds up to 180. Okay? So far, what we've done is if it says they're complements, we say angle 1 plus angle 2 equals 90. If it says they're supplements, we say angle 1 plus angle 2 equals 180. Now we're going to get into some where, no, we're not. They're always going to be either supplements or complements. So let's look at number 7. So number 7 says an angle is 74 degrees more than its complement. So angle 1 plus angle 2 equals 90. Angle 1, angle 2 total. Don't know angle 1, but we know angle 2 is plus 74, so this is 2x plus 74 equals 90. Subtract 74, subtract 74. 2x equals 16, x equals 8. 8 plus 74 is 82. 8 plus 82 is 90, and it works. Okay, so now I want everyone to try number 9 and number 11 on their own. Stop the video, and when you're done, play the video and see if you did 9 and 11 correctly. Okay, number 9 says angle 1 plus angle 2 equals 90 because they're complementary. So I make my table. Don't know angle 1, but the complement of an angle is 14 degrees less than 3 times the angle. So 3 times the angle minus 14. Add these together, 4x minus 14. Then I add 14, add 14. 4x equals 104. Divide by 4, divide by 4. X equals 26. This is 26. 3 times 26 is 78. 78 minus 14 is 64. 6 plus 4 is 0. Carry the 1, adds up to 90, and I know I'm correct, and those are degrees. Okay? And now number 11, again, it's a complement, so angle 1 plus angle 2 equals 90. Angle 1, angle 2, total. And this says an angle is 14 times its complement. So if this is one angle, the other is 14 times that. So together it's 15x, divide by 15, divide by 15. X equals 6. If this is 6, this is 84. Because 6 times 14 is 84, and they add up to 90. And they're both degrees. Okay, so now you can start your homework.